Good evening, students. This is week 1 assignment solution for Python for data science, whose deadline is 7 to 24. Please do like, share, comment, and must subscribe. But before that, let me just give you a brief description about our channel. Now, earlier we had provided the solutions for AI for search methods for all the 12 weeks. Likewise, we will be providing you the solutions for the entire weeks if you are interested. Then there would be detailed solutions also. If you, that would be optional. If you feel like joining it, you can join that also. Okay, so let's just get started. The right answer to question number 1 is option number 2, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Second, -2. Third, it is str. Fourth, 1 underscore variable and variable hash. Fifth, syntax error. Sixth, cannot convert a string to float data type. Seventh, pandas. Eighth, it is 12. Ninth, float. 10th, it is 1. If you people are also interested in joining the AI courses which is being covered in this channel, then you can continue with that. We are the only channel who is going to help you out for the entire weeks. Okay, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.